Google Pixel Watch 3 could be bigger in every way. In the wake of ever-raising competition and standards of an ordinary smartwatch, it seems much of a venture for even most prolific and remarkable gadget makers to bring up something that aligns with users' modern-day needs and preferences. However, despite reasoning that is sufficient to serve as a hindrance in any brand's way up to the wearer's reach, Google Pixel Watch lineup is embracing for an iteration, the Pixel Watch 3. Although the Google's Pixel Watch has been criticized for not offering a range of size options like competitors like Apple and Samsung that provide multiple sizes for their smartwatches, recent reports from January suggest that Google might address this issue with its upcoming Pixel Watch model. While Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic offer sizes of 40, 44, 43, and 47 millimeters, and the Apple Watch Series 9 comes in 41 and 45 millimeter options, Google Pixel's watch has remained fixed at a 41 millimeter diameter for both generations. This lack of size variety can be inconvenient for users with larger wrists. Reports also indicate that the Pixel Watch 3 could introduce a larger variant, potentially with a 45mm dial size. This change would provide users with a more substantial option that better fits their wrist size. It's expected that Google will continue to offer the next generation Pixel Watch in the existing 41mm size as well. With the larger variant, the 45mm model could also pack a larger battery, additional sensors, and a bigger display.